Ar-Rahman, the most kind, Ar-Raheem, mercy you'll find. He is the King, Al-Quddus pure, everything. Al-Muhaymin, in hearts he lives. Al-Muhaymin watches all. Al-Jabbar, Al-Jabbar, who mends the broken. Al-Mutakabbir, power unspoken. Al-Khaliq, maker of skies. Al-Bari, he shapes what flies. Al-Qahhar, form so neat. Al-Ghaffar, forgives so sweet. Al-Qahhar, he's strong and sure. Al-Wahhab, giving more. Ar-Razaq, food each day. Al-Fatah shows us the way. Al-Alim, he knows all about it, holds when we fall. Al-Basit, opens wide. Al-Khafi, lowers pride. Ar-Rafi, lifts us high. Al-Mu is honor in his eye. Al-Mulhil brings low and deep. As-Sami, hears you weep. Al-Bazir, sees your smile. Al-Hakam, just in style. The fairest one, Al-Latif, gentle like the sun. Al-Khabir, he knows what's true. Al-Halim, patient with you. Al-Azim, great and grand. Al-Ghaffar, with his hand. Ash-Shakur, gives more to you. Ali, so high and true. Al-Kabir, bigger than big. Al-Hafi, keeps safe each twig. Al-Muqit, gives each need. Al-Hasir, counts every deed. Al-Jalil, mighty grace. Al-Kareem, generous face. Ar-Raqib, watches near. Al-Mujib, always hears. Al-Wasi, endless space. Al-Hakim, wise in place. Al-Wadud, full of love. Al-Majid, shines above. Al-Ba'ith, life he gives. Ash-Shaheed, in hearts he lives. Al-Haq, the only true. Al-Wakil, cares for you. Al-Qawi, strength is his. Al-Mateen, firm he is. Al-Wali, helps your way. Al-Hamid, praised every day. Al-Musi, counts it all. Al-Muqti, starts the call. Al-Mu'id, brings again. Al-Muhi, life he sends. Al-Mumit, ends the test. Al-Hay, forever rest. Nature keeps glory and shine. Law he won't divine. As-Samad, we depend. Al-Quddus, full of might. Al-Muqaddim, brings to light. Al-Mu'af, we see within. Al-Khawf, nurse to be in. Malikul-Mulk, rules it all. Dhul Jalali wal-Ikram, great call. Al-Muqsit, justice done. Al-Jami, gathers everyone. Al-Ghani, needs no one. Al-Mughni, gives everyone. Al-Wab, we turn back. Al-Muntaqim, defends attack. Al-Af, forgives each sin. Ar-Rauf, mercy within. Malikul-Mulk, rules it all. Dhul Jalali wal-Ikram, great call. Al-Muqsit, justice done. Al-Jami, gathers everyone. Al-Ghani, needs no one. Al-Mughni, gives everyone. Al-Nafi, brings good news. Nor the light so clear. Al-Hadi, guides our path. Al-Bari, his perfect craft. Al-Bach will not end. Al-Alif will transcend. Ar-Rasheed, shows what's best. As-Sabur, his name is one. Al-99, and now we're done. Keep speaking, smiling, and memory of Allah.
Thanks for watching ILM-O-Majlis, the place where little Muslims learn big lessons. Mu'min, see you next time for another Deen adventure.